on the occasion of the Most Preferred Workplace 2025-26 by Marksman Daily. Respected Kripa Shankar Singh, Sir Vice President BJP and former Minister of State for Home Affairs, Maharashtra, all the respected CEOs, HR heads, all senior management, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor and privilege to stand before you on this occasion. Today, I have to talk on the topic of the driving force within leadership that moves people and progress. In fact, it's a great honor to be speaking among such accomplished gathering. Now, there are two or three things which are on my mind to mention, but since I'm slightly under the weather, maybe my throat may not support that much. In between, if it doesn't, then I have to take a leave. So, first, I think most important, since leadership is involved and workplace is involved, I believe that the most prime time of our life, the time between, say, for government, since I come from government, 10 o'clock to 5 or 6, 9 o'clock to 6 of the week, we spend in our offices, in our workplace. And I think that is not only the prime time of the day, but also the prime life which you spend in your offices. And this is so much driven by the person you work under, the leader in whatever sense, like if it is you are a CEO or you are some other incapacity, in that capacity, whoever is working under you would be very much influenced, inspired by what you are doing. Now, presently, I'm posted as Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, but before that, I was Commissioner of Income Tax, and then I was handling the appeals section. Now, appeals in income tax is one place which has lots of work and less of staff. So, of course, that is most of the time with the government that the staff is nowadays reducing and all. But we have to deliver the targets. Like I believe when I joined as Assistant Commissioner way back 25, 30 years, we had to complete around 100 cases a year, assessment cases a year. But now as Commissioner of Income Tax, I have to deliver more than 600 cases per year. That is, I have to pass appeal orders in more than 600 cases a year. That means literally every day I have to dispose of 2 appeals or more. If I think that I have to be at home on Saturdays and Sundays, then I have to do that kind of work. And that is where I realized that that small amount of staff and that huge amount of work, it mattered how the leader was there, how much interest the leader takes in the work, how much you have, like the leader is doing himself or herself, and then driving the rest of them. At times I remember scolding my staff, at times I remember being very friendly to them, at times, having a cup of tea with them, at times like, nahi, aaj ye karna hi hai, So I think where the people see, your staff sees that yes, the leader himself is extremely sincere, is hardworking, and means business. I think there is no option for the colleagues or your subordinates but to follow it. So that is one thing I believe, that leaders are the driving force. And if there are certain issues in the workplace, I think somewhere we need to trace it back to ourselves. Because we are the one that are shaping it. We are the one that are driving it. So it's extremely important for the leaders to actually see what is happening and why, in case things are not being delivered, then definitely there is something or the other which comes back to you where you have not done your work properly. I think the colleagues would also not deliver. It's first thing. Second thing is that I remember, sir, I was in BMC for a while, about 2.5, 3 years. I'm from income tax, but I had taken deputation to the state government, and I was working as additional commissioner of BMC. And I remember one experience which I would definitely like to narrate here, is that I was then as additional municipal commissioner handling the encroachment department. And encroachment department is a very, I would say, nasty department for us, in the sense that Mumbai being Mumbai and space being a constraint for everybody, huge amount of encroachments happen. So regularly, at the end of the day, we see the dark, which I don't know how many people know, but since coming from the government, we see the dark. What letters have come to us, what letters have gone, and all that. So when I was seeing the dark, I saw one simple letter. That letter said, this was a complaint about the encroachment, and it says that in some area, I believe it was Muhammad Ali Road or Nagpad, I don't remember, some place it was. That is now about 6-7 years back. So they said there is a building which is constructed, and it is illegal building, and the building is around 13 floors. So I was surprised. I could not think कि भाई 13 फ्लोर कैसे कोई कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लेगा, और वो भी एनक्रोचमेंट में, बिना किसी को पता चले, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है. सो आई बीइंग नॉट फ्रॉम द स्टेट बैकग्राउंड, मुझे कुछ उसका सीरियसनेस पता नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. आई हैड अ हैबिट ऑफ गोइंग ऑन राउंड्स एवरी थर्सडे. सो एवरी थर्सडे इफ सम नगर सेवक रिक्वेस्ट कि मैडम हमारी ये प्रॉब्लम है, आप आ जाइए, विजिट करिए. सो आई यूज्ड टू गो लाइक दैट. दिस टाइम आई थॉट दिस कंप्लेंट हैज कम, लेट मी गो एंड सी कि क्या चक्कर है. And I actually went to that area. That area was very sensitive. Okay. After a particular point, my ward officer and the security staff with me and other people said, nahi bhai, yahan se madam, it is not advisable that we should go there and see it actually. I said, acha, if you don't want to come, don't come. I will go. And I left them. अब मुझे पता ही नहीं seriousness क्या है इस बात का. I just went ahead, and since because I went ahead, ये लोग भी मेरे साथ में आ गए. And मैं गई. And there I saw that there was a place which was like between the limits of the municipal corporation and the railways. This was slight gray area. कि ये municipal corporation का area है, कि it's railways areas. That gray area was used to construct that building. So the building was very small. It was at, as we call it in Hindi, Ladi Koba का काम होता है. Just some iron rods and then little of the cement and all that. So I went inside, I saw ऐसा है वैसा है, and I said, अरे illegal है, कोई owner नहीं है, there are no this thing, we made all the inquiries and everything, ward level पे सब हो गया. And then I asked the ward officer, गिरा क्यों नहीं रहे हो, what is the problem? Illegal है, पता है, सारी inquiries हो गई हैं, even it went to the local court and everything, every aspect of it was done. Still इसको गिरा क्यों नहीं रहे? तो एक बार I said, what is the problem, you should do it. So I remember कि then they said no, we are not getting the protection of the police. I said अच्छा ठीक है. My additional commissioner of police was a person I knew, so I called him up. तो he says नहीं we'll do it, this that. Then sir उसका प्रश्न विधानसभा में आया, and in the briefing I had to be there, and they asked me कि क्यों नहीं आप. I said I'm not getting the protection I need it. Unless that I cannot go ahead. So after that had come to that level कि it has come to everybody's knowledge. Thankfully he had to give me the protection. तो उसने दे दिया, ठीक है मैडम बोल रहे हैं, जाने दीजिए. We send the people to that area. अब वहाँ जाने के बाद what happened is that person was so clever, the person whoever had constructed this. What he did is he made all the ladies and children sit there inside those buildings. So now the police was like, and my staff was also like, मैडम अभी क्या करें, बच्चे हैं, लेडीज हैं, हाउ वुड वी इसको कैसे तोड़े, कैसे गिरा. सो आई सेड, आई अगेन स्पोक टू माय कलीग एंड आई सेड, आप अपने यहाँ से पुलिस के सारे लेडी ऑफिसर्स, लेडी स्टाफ, लेडी कांस्टेबल्स भेजिए, मैं भी अपने यहाँ से लेडीज का ही स्टाफ और मेरे ऑफिसर्स भेजती हूँ, लेट्स डू इट. तो देन ठीक, चलो अब ये मान ही नहीं रही तो चलो कर लेते हैं. वी सेंट ऑल द लेडी स्टाफ एंड they started, हमारा म्यूनिसिपल स्टाफ started working. अब वो बैंग कर रहा है, वो the whole thing was of the iron. तो once they started breaking it, it's huge noise. So एक दिन तो वो जो they had bought all those ladies on rent, वो एक दिन तो ladies और बच्चे वहाँ रहे, दूसरे दिन वो भाग गए. They said no, we cannot stay here only. It is so much of noise. They took away their children and everything and they went away. And then slowly we broke that building slowly. ऊपर से there were many mischiefs that were played. People tried to throw it नीचे on the road so that if somebody gets injured, it's a big news and they stop it and all that. And when I actually went and Pura, when it was broken down to the ground, I actually went and I clicked some pictures and I, as a this thing, put it on my group, my IRS group, and everybody was like, no Pallavi, you don't know what happens in this, because income tax is in a habit of selling properties and they know what happens here. And I had not worked in income tax in Mumbai for that time. So they said, no, this is some mafia, this, that. You be careful. You know what is going to happen to you, this, that. I said, don't worry. My intentions were clear. I did not have any other intention, but because it was illegal, we did follow all the procedures and then we really dropped it. So that was some very novel experience which I realized that because people who are working under you have some kind of experience. They have some kind of, things they know, so they don't go ahead because of this. But I, being completely new, mujhe pata hai, I went ahead. Probably if I would have earlier probably worked here, maybe I would have again thought, Kiri, what's going on, what's going on. So I think somewhere the person who is leading, the sincerity, the hard work, the intentions of that person definitely matter. And that are very basic things which we keep on forgetting. In all the things that are happening, I think these are the basic things. There's only one story. My throat is thankfully still supporting me. So I'll narrate that story and I'll stop, because I know stories are always, always interesting. So this is, I read a lot of Jatak these days. So it's coming from Jatak. It's a 520 Jatak, Kand Tindu Jatak. It's the king's fault. Okay? It's like sab dosh Raja ka hai. Okay? Because today is leadership point, so I think this is very apt. So long time ago, the story as it starts, there was this Panchal desh, Panchal नाम का देश था, and Uttar Panchal था, and उसमें एक राजा था, and he had a capital called Kampila. Okay, so he used to stay there, but the Raja was unjust monarch. Okay, वो बिल्कुल ही अधर्मी था. He had evil habits. He had बुरी आदतें थी. Because he was like that, the people that were surrounding him, the ministers and all, they were also like that. And then people working under them also, because of the king was like that, the rest of the choice was like that, down below also was like that. Now this Kampila, this Panchal was at one point of time very prosperous. बहुत समृद्ध था ये. But because of this behavior of the king, it fell into all disrepair. लोग अपना घर भी रिपेयर नहीं करते थे, ये सोचकर कि कहीं टैक्स कलेक्टर्स आ जाएंगे अच्छा घर देख के और पैसे मांगेंगे एंड ऑल दैट. सो पीपल स्टार्टेड पुटिंग द होल विलेज इनटू अ डिसरिपेयर. बट देयर वाज वन फेस्टिवल, एक महोत्सव ऐसे था कि राजा को गांव में आके, एक ट्री था उसकी पूजा करनी होती थी हर साल. तो एक बार राजा उनके पूरे रेटिन्यू के साथ, पूरे सब लोगों के साथ वो आते हैं, और जब वो आते हैं तो उनको दिखता है ये गांव में एक बूढ़ा सा आदमी अपने घर से निकल रहा है, और अपने घर के आगे उसने अपनी वाइफ बच्चों को निकाल दिया, और फिर पूरे ऐसे कांटे वाटे सब लगा दिए, पुट द थॉर्न प्लांट सो दैट नोबडी कैन एंटर एंड ऑल, एंड ही टेक्स हिज चिल्ड्रन एंड हिज वाइफ इनटू द jungle which is just besides. So the king is very amused. What is this person doing? दिन में ये सब बच्चों को जंगल में क्यों लेके जा रहे हैं? So they hide at a side and they try and see कि क्या हो रहा है. And then they see after a while that his own men, some other men, like who were the tax collectors and other village officials and all, they come, they rampage the village. They go to people's places who are there, try to take out some money, this, that, and then they go away. So the king is still hiding with his own men, and then he still waits. What will happen the next, he says. And then this, as the old person sees that these people have gone, these tax collectors have gone and everybody's gone, this old person comes along with his family, जंगल से बाहर निकलता है, और वो अपने घर की तरफ आता है. और घर की तरफ आता है, and he tries to remove the thorns, because so many thieves have also there. He has to protect his property also. तो वो thorns सब दूर करके अपनी family को अंदर भेज देता है. But while doing that, what happens is that वो thorn जो है, बड़ा सा thorn, उसके पैरों में से बाहर निकलता है, नीचे से लेके ऊपर तक बाहर निकलता है. तो he starts crying. बैठ जाता है वहीं और he starts crying. क्या हुआ? So he starts crying, राजा तेरा ऐसा हो, तेरा वैसा हो. Like, what is happening? क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हो? So the king sends his own persons. Why is he saying? Why is he taking the name of the king? I am not responsible. Why should he? So he sends one of his retinue में से एक बंदे को भेजता है, and he says to the old man कि भाई क्या हुआ, क्यों रो रहे हो, क्यों राजा का नाम ले रहे हो, उसने क्या किया तुम्हारा? तो ही सेज दैट पर्सन, ओल्ड पर्सन सेज, यू नो, वो जो राजा है ना, वो अपना काम नहीं करता है. ही डजंट डू हिज राजधर्म. उसका जो राजधर्म है कि ही शुड लुक आफ्टर द पीपल, दैट ही शुड बिल्ड सम रोड्स, ही शुड ब्रिंग सम वाटर. तब भी यही काम थे, आज भी यही काम है. तो वो ये अपना राजधर्म करता नहीं है. एंड इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ हिम दैट दीज पीपल कम एंड लूट मी, दे टेक माई बिलोंगिंग्स. सो राजा ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. So when this person goes back and tells the king, okay, this is the kind of thing he's saying. This old man is blaming you because it is your job which you are not doing, and that's why he's being troubled. So the king, being very understanding, he realizes that yes, somewhere I am going wrong, somewhere I am going wrong. So he then improves himself. He then does his own job. So I think somewhere we need to learn from here is that what we see in our colleagues, what we see in our staff is somehow the reflection of what we are doing. Because nobody else, but they look us at very close quarters. So if we are doing our job very sincerely, with a lot of hard work and sincerity, I think that is what we would get in return. I know this topic is so much, I'll go and on, but sir is about to speak and there are certain felicitations also. So I will stop here. I thank the organizers to have given me this opportunity to come and talk to you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.